Hey everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at driving a 4-digit 7-segment display using the Cmod A7 FPGA board. So for starters, I know it's a little bit messy, we'll walk through it. We have the positive and ground cables running from pins 24 and 25 of the Cmod board, sending out 3.3 volts into this power rail, and then it's also connected down here to the bottom power rail of the breadboard. Now the 4-digit 7-segment display here is connected using these white wires as well as these blue wires. These white wires, there's 7 of them, they connect for each individual segment of the display. You'll notice we have A, B, C, D, E, F, and G, and those are all hooked up to the board, driving which segment LED needs to be on for each separate display. And we have these blue wires which are connected to the anodes of the display. There's 4 of them, one for each of the display. Right now only the 4th one is on, which is this wire here. And we can control which display is showing by sending out of 1 or a high voltage on these wires. You'll also notice that there's these 4 buttons here, and this will represent our data. This display will represent hexadecimal values, so it'll range from 0 to 15 or 0 to F. And so we can use these 4-bit buttons to send in data, and that will be converted into respective numerical displays on this 7-segment display. Now, each of these buttons, you'll also note, are connected to 4 pins here, and they also have resistors. The 4th one's down here. These resistors act as pull-down resistors to prevent white noise from driving the pins high when there's no input supposed to be had. And now I'll demonstrate it working. We have, this will be our first bit, this will be 1, this one would be 2, and we can press these both to get 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which is A, 11 for B, 12 for C, 13 for D, 14 for E, and all of them pressed down is F15. The other thing of note is there's 2 buttons hidden away in here on the board which will drive which display or which digital display to show the signal on. And so if we press the first of the 2-bit counter, it'll light up the second display. If we press the second, it'll light up the third display. And if we press both, it'll light up the 4th display.